In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create views in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating views is an excellent way to manage and organize your tickets efficiently, allowing your team to focus on what matters most. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Admin Center. From your main Zendesk menu, look for the Admin Center option. It's usually represented by a gear icon, making it easy to identify. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the hub where most of your settings and configurations reside. Once you're in the Admin Center, your next step is to go to the Workspaces section. In this section, you'll be able to find Agent Tools. Now click on that option and it will open up a series of tools designed specifically for agents, where you'll find what you need. Now let's open Views. From the Agent Tools drop-down list, look for the option labeled Views. Click on that. This is where the magic happens, and you can see all your current ticket views. If you're just starting out, you might not see much, but don't worry. By the end of this process, you'll be well on your way to creating a more organized ticketing system. Next, here's where you have a choice. You can either create a view from scratch or clone an existing one. If you want to start fresh, which can be very helpful if you have specific needs, just click on Add View. This option allows you to build a completely custom ticket queue tailored to your preferences. For example, you might want to focus on unassigned tickets, tickets with specific tags, or perhaps high-priority issues. The flexibility is truly at your fingertips. Now, if you find that there's an existing view that's somewhat close to what you need, you have the option to duplicate or modify it. Look through the list of views available, find one that resembles your desired setup, and choose to clone it or make a copy. This can save you a ton of time in setup and ensures you won't miss out on useful configurations already in place. Once you've chosen how to proceed, whether starting from scratch or cloning, it's time to gather your filtering criteria and display preferences. This is a critical step to ensure that your new view aligns perfectly with your team's workflow. You'll be able to set conditions based on ticket status, priority, or even assignee. Take a moment to think about what your team needs to see most regularly. This will help streamline your processes and make ticket management a breeze. Adjust the labels, the order of columns, and other display preferences as necessary. Getting these details right will make a huge difference in how your team interacts with Zendesk. Once everything's set up the way you want, don't forget to save your new view. After that, congratulations! You've successfully created a custom view that can help you and your team manage tickets more effectively. And that's it for this tutorial on creating views in Zendesk. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, remember to subscribe and like the video for more insightful content like this. Thanks for watching.